Hello, and welcome to How to Defend Graphic Novels to Parents. My name is John Shableski. I'll be your host for this video, brought to you by Library Pass and Comics Plus. Why is my child reading graphic novels? It's not surprising to get this question at the moment you least expect it. You're wrapping up the end of the day, or you're in the grocery store, and the parent is concerned about these new books that keep showing up. Very simple argument to have, or discussion, if you will. Graphic novels and manga are incredibly engaging. They also allow and encourage the child to read above their independent reading level. And graphic novels help build comprehension and critical thinking skills. Why aren't they reading real books? That notion that because it just has a lot of just because it has a lot of pictures in the book, doesn't mean it's not a real book. They cover the same subjects and genres that you see, including nonfiction. They're an incredible way to engage challenged and reluctant readers. And while graphic novels are and can be very entertaining, they cover amazing concepts and they make those difficult concepts entertaining. And another common question is, what if they read only graphic novels? Again, that concern couldn't be understandable because they're so enamored and so engrossed in the stories, they'll read them repeatedly over and over. But it also creates a gateway opportunity for learning. Graphic novels can be paired with traditional texts, and it creates an additional opportunity to introduce complementary texts or stories that your reader may have otherwise overlooked. And along with our other tutorials that we have on our website at librarypass.com, we have a great webinar on engaging reluctant and challenged readers that you'll want to check out, along with all these other resources. And again, on behalf of Library Pass and Comics Plus, my name is John Shableski, and I've been your host for this video. Be sure to come by and check out more of our support materials at support.librarypass.com. Thanks again.